بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ ساری تعریفیں خداوند متعال کے لیے کہ جس کے قبضہ قدرت میں اس پوری کائنات کا ہر نظام ہے، اور درود و سلام ہو محمد و آل محمد کے گھرانے کے لیے۔ Hi everyone, today on day 5 we will talk about how to build a strong personal brand online. I will ask ChatGPT some questions and share what we learn. How are you, ChatGPT?
That sounds like a great idea. I'd be happy to help you with that. Just let me know the details whenever you're ready, and we can work on it together. Thanks for thinking of me.
Thank you much. My first question, what is a personal brand?
A personal brand is essentially how you present yourself to the world, both online and offline. It includes your unique skills, values, personality, and the way you communicate them to others. It helps you stand out and make a memorable impression. If you want to dive deeper, just let me know.
Okay, thank you so much, ChatGPT. My next question to you, why is a personal brand important?
A personal brand is important because it helps you differentiate yourself in a crowded world. It builds trust, credibility, and recognition, making it easier for people to connect with you and remember you. It can open up opportunities, whether it's in your career, business, or personal life. And it also gives you a sense of direction and purpose.
More explain, ChatGPT.
ज़रूर ذاتی ब्रांड आपकी पहचान को मजबूत करता है।
English में.
Sure. A personal brand strengthens your identity and highlights your skills and values in a unique way. It helps you stand out, build trust, and create meaningful connections with others. If you'd like to explore any specific aspect of it, just let me know.
Thank you so much, ChatGPT. My next question to you, how can we make our identity and skills clear?
That's a great question. To make your identity and skills clear, you can start by defining what makes you unique, clearly articulating your strengths, and consistently sharing your expertise through content, whether that's on social media, a personal website, or networking events. Also, gathering testimonials and feedback can really help reinforce your skills and build credibility.
Thank you so much. More explain, ChatGPT.
Absolutely. To make your identity and skills really stand out, you can start by identifying your core values or what you're passionate about, then communicate these consistently in everything you do, whether it's through your online presence like social media or personal website, or in person through networking and interactions. Sharing your knowledge through blogs, videos, or public speaking can also help solidify your expertise. And of course, collecting feedback and testimonials can add a lot of credibility and reinforce your personal brand.
Okay, thank you so much. How can we engage with our audience?
Engaging with your audience is all about being authentic and consistent. You can interact with them by responding to their comments, asking for their feedback, and creating content that resonates with their interests and needs. Hosting Q&As, live sessions, and polls can also boost engagement. It's also helpful to share stories and experiences that humanize your brand and make your audience feel connected. Consistency and genuine interaction are key.
Okay, thank you so much, ChatGPT. My next question to you, what type of content or valuable should we share?
The type of content you share really depends on your goals and your audience, but generally a good mix is best. You can share educational content that showcases your expertise, inspirational or motivational content to connect on a personal level, and engaging content like polls, questions, or behind the scenes glimpses to keep your audience interested. And of course, don't forget to share some personal stories to build that genuine connection.
Okay, thank you so much, ChatGPT. Please more explain.
You're very welcome. I'm glad to help. If you ever have more questions or need any more guidance, just let me know.
Okay, my next question to you: how can we start a conversation or ask question to connect with our audience?
Starting a conversation with your audience can be really effective if you begin with genuine curiosity and authenticity. You can ask open-ended questions that encourage them to share their thoughts and experiences. Sharing content that invites feedback, like polls or surveys, can also spark interaction. And don't forget to actively listen and respond to their input, which helps build a stronger connection over time.
Thank you so much, ChatGPT. My next question to you: what steps should we take to continuously improve our personal brand?
To consistently improve your personal brand, you can focus on a few key steps. First, always keep learning and updating your skills so that you stay relevant. Second, consistently share valuable content that reflects your expertise and your personality. Third, engage with the audience regularly and authentically. And lastly, seek feedback and be willing to adapt and evolve over time. These steps will help you strengthen and refine your personal brand.
Thank you so much, ChatGPT. My next question to you: what role does play in building a personal brand?
Networking plays a huge role in building a personal brand because it helps you connect with like-minded individuals, potential collaborators, and even mentors who can offer valuable guidance. It also increases your visibility and credibility in your field by building genuine relationships. You can open doors to new opportunities and gain insights that can further enhance your personal brand.
More explain, ChatGPT.
Absolutely. I'm always here to help and explain things in detail. If there's anything else you'd like to dive into or any other questions on your mind, just let me know.
Okay, thank you so much. Why is it important to keep learning and growing?
Keeping learning and improving is important because it helps you stay relevant and adaptable in a constantly changing world. It allows you to acquire new skills, keep up with industry trends, and maintain a competitive edge. Plus, it boosts your confidence, keeps your mind sharp, and can open up new opportunities for personal and professional growth. It's really a lifelong journey that pays off in so many ways.
Okay, thank you so much, ChatGPT. Please more explain this question.
Absolutely. I'll keep it concise from now on. If you have any more questions or need any help, just let me know.
Okay, these were the key questions I asked ChatGPT to understand how to build a strong personal brand online.
Got it. I'm here to help you build a strong personal brand. If you have any more questions or need specific tips along the way, just let me know.
Okay, ChatGPT, my next question to you: what role does motivation play creating habits?
Motivation plays a crucial role in creating and maintaining a strong personal brand because it drives you to stay consistent, overcome challenges, and continuously improve. It helps you push through setbacks, stay focused on your goals, and keep your passion alive, which in turn inspires and engages your audience.
How can discipline be more powerful than motivation?
Discipline complements motivation by keeping you consistent, even when motivation wanes. It helps you stick to your routines, meet your goals, and maintain a steady progress. So while motivation gets you started, discipline keeps you going and ensures that your personal brand remains strong and consistent over time.
Okay, thank you so much, ChatGPT. Can habits really change our future success? How?
Absolutely, it can. A shift in your mindset can really transform how you approach challenges, opportunities, and even everyday tasks with a positive and growth oriented mindset. You become more resilient, open to learning, and willing to take calculated risks, all of which can lead to greater success in both personal and professional life.
Okay, thank you so much, LGBT.
You're very welcome. I'm always here to help. If you have any more questions or need anything at all, just let me know.